Welcome everyone. Through this video I am going to talk about destiny numbers or life path numbers. These are very important numbers, and after your birth numbers these are the most important numbers and they should not be ignored. But before talking about these numbers, let's talk about how are they calculated and why they become so important. So first of all, when a native is born, he happens to have his date, month and the year number. So these are the three important numbers a person will be having. You can calculate the single digit total of your date, single digit total of your month and single digit total of your year, and then you add them all together and you reach upon a single digit total which is called as your destiny number. Now if you happen to reach a total of 22 or 11, in that case you should not be reducing them to a single digit, because 22 and 11 are the master numbers. Now destiny number calculation I will just give you with the help of an example. Suppose somebody is born on 12th of February 2020. So here we will take the single digit total of 12, that is 1 plus 2 is 3. The total of February, that is the second month, is 2, and 2020 will give you a total of 4. So here 2 plus 2 is considered as 4. So when we add them all together we get 3 plus 2 plus 4, that is total of 9. So 9 becomes the destiny number for this native. Now friends, there are certain numbers which are considered as good destiny numbers and certain numbers are considered as not so good or not so successful destiny numbers. And similarly there are certain numbers which are considered as very good birth numbers, and some numbers are not considered as good or very lucky birth numbers. So what are these numbers? The number like 1, 5, 7 and 9, these are the 4 such numbers which are considered as excellent destiny numbers to have. But see, it is never in our hands to have a particular birth number or destiny number. We are just born with it, we cannot do much about it. So in that case the only thing which is in our hands is the name number, that is the total of your name, which we can add to give ourselves a number which is in harmony with our birth number and our destiny numbers. And we should always get it checked through a competent numerologist so that they can give you a very harmonious name number which also gels with your birth number and with your destiny numbers. Similarly, there are certain set of numbers which are considered as very good birth numbers. These are like 2, 3, 4, 6 and 8. These are 5 such numbers which are considered as very good birth numbers, and they make you very strong, creative and powerful. But the other 4 numbers which I just told you for the destiny numbers are not considered as very strong birth numbers, because these numbers do have some shortcomings. These numbers 1, 7, 5 and 9 will make the person little bit disturbed in terms of balance. So that is why the numbers vibrations, they matter a lot. So first let me tell you what is basically a destiny number's role in somebody's life. See, these are the numbers which will tell you the career that you will eventually take as per the vibrations of that number. These numbers will tell you opportunities or the areas which you will have to deal yourself in somebody's life. These are the areas which will always attract you, and you will be involved in some way or the other with respect to the vibrations of that destiny number. So there are certain people who are not working and they are still having the impact of those life path numbers. Suppose a person who is not having any career, he is dependent upon others, will still go through the vibrations of that life path number. Like let's take an example of a life path number of 9. See, 9 number will give you the abilities to work for the benefit of society, to do something for the larger group of society. So it's a number of compassion, it's a number of service, social service, and it makes you very generous. So you are here for philanthropy, for uplifting the society. That is the vibrations of number 9 as a life path number. Now, if somebody who is not working, in that case this 9 will make you do something for your near and dear ones. You will always be selflessly working for the people who are associated with you without expecting anything in return. So friends, this is how the life path number will play its role throughout your life, and you know that you have to follow this kind of schedule in your life, and you become like that. So you adopt yourself as per the circumstances. But if 9 is your birth number, in that case it will give you some shortcomings, because 9 is basically a number of aggression and strength. So here the person is going to be very strong, very aggressive, but here the aggression will just come out due to any given circumstances. The person can become very angered. But if this number 9 is your life path number, it gives you lots of inner strength, and you will have lots of forbearance without getting agitated. So here lies the difference between number 9 birth number and number 9 destiny number. Number 9 as a birth number will make you creative, but it is going to make you learn those creative talents before you bring it forth to the world. But 9 as a destiny number is going to make you naturally very talented, and you will be very talented by your natural nature. You don't even have to learn those things if you happen to have 9 as your destiny numbers. So friends, it is very important to have a harmonious destiny numbers. So friends, this is how these numbers will play their role, and I am planning to make a separate video on all destiny numbers, and stay tuned in. This is all for today. I want to thank you all for listening.